Hello students. I cannot stress enough how important it is to be able to identify the main idea. If you do not know what the main idea of a paragraph is, it will be very difficult for you to understand the entire article. So the purpose of this presentation is to explain what main idea is and how to find it. So what is the main idea? It's the big picture. It's the point of the passage minus the details. It's what the author wants to tell us about the topic. There are two types of main idea. It can be directly stated or implied. When it is stated, it means that the main idea is directly written in the paragraph. When the main idea is implied, it means that it's not directly written in the paragraph, and therefore we need to infer it based on the details that we are given in this paragraph. Let us see an example how to find the topic, main idea, and supporting details in a sentence level when we are talking about a stated main idea. So the following sentence is taken from Wikipedia. Let me read it first. Usain Bolt is widely regarded as the fastest person ever, as he's the first man to hold both the 100 and 200 meters world record since fully automatic time measurements became mandatory in 1977. To identify the topic, it's to say what is the subject of this sentence. So what's the subject of this sentence? You probably answered correctly, which is Usain Bolt. The main idea is what the writer wants to tell us about Usain Bolt. So what is the main idea? Yeah, I probably got it right as well. He is widely regarded as the fastest person ever. And supporting details, what support the fact that he is the fastest person ever? The fact that he holds both 100 and 200 meters world record is a supporting detail. Okay, so let's see it now in a paragraph level. Again, it's a stated main idea. So the sentence of the main idea is going to be written specifically in the paragraph. This paragraph is taken from the Fun Theory article, which I've presented in previous skill when we did the predicting. So let's read the article. I'll read it. The advertising campaign's impact has been colossal. The video were quickly picked up by blogs, forums, and the media worldwide. In less than 2 weeks, the piano stair video went viral and generated 3.3 million hits. To date, 40 million viewers around the globe have watched the videos, resulting in improved road safety in Sweden and increase in sales of eco cars in Sweden. So, what is the topic? What is the main subject of this article? Well, it is the advertising campaign. And what the writer wants to tell us about it? Yes, he wants to say that it has been huge, big, immense. It has been colossal. And what are the supporting details that we are given? These are the supporting details that we are given. It was quickly picked up. It went viral. It generated 3.3 million hits, and 40 million viewers around the globe have watched the video. Let me sum it up. In order to find the topic, I ask myself what or who this passage is about. And for the main idea, I look for what the author's point about the topic is. To find an implicit main idea, you can use the TRA method. T for topic, R for read, A for ask, and M for make. Let me show you an example how to use it. I'm going to use a section of The Wizard of Oz in order to demonstrate how I use the TRA method in order to find implicit main idea. My first step would be to read the passage. The wonderful city of Oz. Even with eyes protected by green spectacles, Dorothy and her friends were at first dazzled by the brilliancy of the wonderful city. The streets were lined with beautiful houses, all built of green marble and studded everywhere with sparkling emeralds. They walked over a pavement of the same green marble, and where the blocks were joining together were rows of emeralds set closely and glittering in the brilliantness of the sun. The window panes were green glass. Even the sky above the city had a green tint, and the rays of the sun were green. So my first step in the TRA method is the T, stand for topic, identify the topic. By viewing the title and the passage, I identify that the topic is the wonderful city of Oz. Okay, so that's the topic, City of Oz. Now, R stands for read important details. I highlight the important details. So it's the houses that are built of green marble, and the same green marble is used for the pavement. And the windows are of green glass, and the sky has a green tint, and even the rays of the sun are green. In addition, I see a lot of words that has a positive connotation, like they were dazzled by it, it's a wonderful city, or sparkling and glittering. That leads me to this next step, which will be to ask myself um, what the details have in common, all the details. So first of all, I figure out that they describe the city of Oz, but that's not enough. I want to see how they describe the city of Oz. They describe that the city is green and that the city is beautiful. Okay, so that makes two statements that combine the details together. And then I need to make a statement that connects the detail using my own words when I bear in my mind that what I'm looking is the main idea. So this is the author points about the topic in this passage. So what is the author points about the city of Oz? And I came to the conclusion that's one of the statement. The city of Oz was a beautiful city all in green. Okay, that's my implicit main idea. I will recall. So the TRA method will be first identify the topic, then read for important details, ask yourself how all those details connect, and then make a statement using your own words, and this statement is going to be your implicit main idea.